Hello, respectable audience. My question is minus 2 minus 3 times minus 2 times minus 3. Now it will become minus 2 minus 3. We will get minus 5 times minus 2 minus 3. It is plus 6. So minus 30 will be our answer, but it is wrong. Now we will solve according to Kemda's rule. So we will get minus 2 minus 3 times minus 2 times minus 3. Now we will solve this multiplication first because we have to move from left to right. So we will get minus 2 minus and minus when multiply we will get plus sign. 3 times 2 it will be equal to 6 times minus 3. Now again here is multiplication, so we have to solve multiplication first. We will get minus 2 and plus times minus we will get minus 6 times 3. It will be equal to 18. So here is simple. A step minus 2 minus 18, which is minus 20, which is our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.